This year, we are excited to announce the addition of a pre-assembled walk-through pantry. Since the dawn of home construction, a sense of mystery and excitement has surrounded secret rooms and hidden passages. With our new walk-through pantries, Wellborn Cabinet has found a way to take those exciting concepts and turn them into beautiful, creative ways to maximize space in both existing pantries as well as new constructions. Walk-through pantries have become a very popular trend among designers in recent years, but their inclusion required on-site assembly. We are proud to announce that our walk-through pantries are securely shipped to Wellborn dealers pre-assembled to save time and money. Available in our Premier Series in all of Wellborn's paint and finish options, this great new product will have builders scrambling to adjust new construction floor plans in 2022.